So guys, what we have for today is AUDUSD. We would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is for the 10th of February. Now, if you have not subscribed or you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So first, let's start with this movement. We can see the trend. This was an uptrend move. Basically, during this period, DXY or USD index as per se was actually dropping. So this is one of the reasons why AUD USD was actually going bullish. But right now it looks like the reverse is now the case, whereby we will start having a much bullish move on DXY. But we need a confirmation to be able to predict such. So right now we have to trade with what we are seeing. So basically what we want to do is actually see this as a drop, then a pullback. So what we'll be expecting next for the next day is another drop to on our AUD USD. So basically, you should actually watch out for a level of 0.68430. So that is the level I'm watching out for tomorrow. That will be giving me about 80 pips, close to 80 pips, or even close to this level that I just called, which is 0.68430. We might not even actually get to that level. Have it in mind. We might not even actually get to that level, but at least we should be close to that level, meaning AUD USD should actually go bearish for tomorrow. So basically, are you my Patreon subscriber? You would have seen how we actually took trade on AUD, right? One of those trades we took on Monday was Euro AUD, which actually got to our targets. The second trade we took was AUD card, which actually got to our targets. I even went as far to put another trade on natural gas, which actually took yesterday. We actually got to the targets. Today also we took a trade on US 30 and we actually got to that target. So basically that is what I did for my Patreon subscribers. So if you are my Patreon subscribers, I'm sure you must have made a lot. So if you are yet to become one, make sure you check the link in the comment section. I'll put a link. You can become one of my Patreon subscribers and you'll be able to get some exclusive content. What I tend to do in that channel is put out high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So that is what I'll be putting out there. If you're interested, give it a try. So back to this AUD USD. Now down to the 4-hour time frame. Like I said, I will be expecting a drop on this AUD USD. So once it can give me this drop to this lows, that will be about 72 pips. And if it's close to this level of 0.68430, at least grabbing 60 to 70 pips a day is not bad, right? So let's watch out for a drop on AUD USD.